Hey everyone, I have something I want you to see this week. It's a cool little gadget, and every time I find something I think you'd be interested in or I think would make your life on trail or camping easier, I'd like to show them to you. So today we have a little item that I'd like to go over some of the details on and see if you like it. Let's go get it. Okay, so you know how I've been doing my gear loadouts, and this is the bona fide standard for, well, I shouldn't say the bona fide standard. It's my choice of knives to take on trail. My mandatory requirements for a knife are primarily having a knife, obviously, which this has just a tiny little blade, right? But it also has, very important, tweezers for ticks. And the third thing that is an absolute requirement, for me at least, are scissors. Well, although I've been using this Equinox, Victorinox, whatever you want to call it, by Swiss Army knife, which is very nice. Another alternative, another possible alternative, is the Gerber Dime. This thing is, as you can see, about the same size. It's only marginally heavier, but check this out, y'all. This is so cool. You've got built-in pliers, right? This thing just folds and collapses down. This is so cool. I love this thing. If you go here on the end and you pull this out, you've got tweezers. That's nice. We love tweezers. It's checking off all the boxes that I know of. It also has your knife, much nicer knife than that's in the Swiss Army knife. Thicker blade, sharper blade. Then on this side, you have an awl for cutting. How cool is that, eh? And then on this side, you have a screwdriver, a little square, what's that called? Slotted something. I never remember the names of all the screwdrivers. Here you've got a little nail file and a little pointy kind of screwdriver, thingamajiggy. And then, very important, very, very important, is our scissors. So you've got scissors. So this checks, like I say, off all, and these scissors, by the way, are much heavier duty than the Swiss Army knife ones. So anyway, it's just a cool little gadget. It's called the Gerber Dime. Very nice. I really enjoy using it. I've been using it on my last couple of hikes, and I really do enjoy it. So if you're in the market for an alternative to the traditional Swiss Army knife, then you might want to have a look at what's called the Gerber Dime.